See you on the gram, but you look better in person. Working, twerking, throw it and reverse it. Tell me if you nervous, moving like you certain. Curving, slurping, skirting like I'm swerving. Earn it, shorty you deserve it.
What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE. Welcome back to my channel. Whenever we start a video in the kitchen, just know it's gonna be a watercolor video. But this is not your typical watercolor video. Watercolor method video. We're gonna be doing a multicolor wig. This is my first time doing a multicolor wig with the watercolor method. I never actually did a multicolor wig on my own. I'm not sure, I can't remember. But this video was highly requested. This video, honestly guys, it took me 2 to 3 hours to think about what colors I wanted to do, because there's so much colors out there and I don't want to do something and mess it up. So I feel like I can't mess it up just using 2 colors. I'm just trying out how I like it, using 2 colors first, and then for the next video I will be doing a multicolor video, because I really want to do a lot of multicolor wigs, because guys, I basically did every color wig there is out there to do. So of course I am back with one of my favorite companies, and that is Afsister. And I'm gonna go ahead and take the hair off the box. Once again, your girl has her 613 hair. These companies are really coming through with the 613 hair, and I really appreciate it, y'all. Of course, I get a wig cap and my hair. I don't remember how long I asked this. I honestly don't remember how long. I honestly don't remember the length I asked for, but I believe this was what, 16 or 18, and this is body wave. Let me make a thumbnail now, so later on, let me move you guys out, because I feel like okay, this is way better. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a thumbnail, and then the next thumbnail, of course, is gonna be colored. So the colors I'm using today are lavender from Adore and mint from Color Brilliance. The top of the hair is going to be lavender, of course, like mainly the top, and then the rest is going to be mint. Well, the mint doesn't really look like mint, it looks like blue, so that's the color I was honestly going for, like an icy blue. So I don't know how I'm going to put this hair into a bun, because everything at the top, basically the root, needs to be colored. So I don't know how I'm about to put this into a bun, y'all. I honestly don't know how. I guess I gotta go like this. In other videos I saw, they had the hair in a ponytail and they put this, like, the top in first, and just at the top, I want it to be like a tighter bun, because I don't want it to be even, but I want it to look neat, you know? I'm honestly nervous, you guys. Like, I don't know how this is gonna turn out, and I feel like this bun is just not cooperating right now. Maybe I'm just overthinking it. Okay, this looks more like it. I'm gonna go ahead and put this color in there. I really clearly don't have a lot of this color, so yeah, I gotta work with what I have, honestly. I'm gonna put some water in it, shake it up, and have that color come out. But I don't really need a lot, like, it's only the roots being colored. I know you guys saw that. I know you guys saw that. That was insane. I'm gonna go ahead and mix that up. It's gonna be lavender. I honestly don't even want it dark, but I do want the lavender to show. I need to get this color up off the floor. So I'm gonna take my hair, and I'm only doing the roots, y'all. So I'm gonna dip that in. I'm just gonna let that sit in there. Honestly, y'all, it looks like the color is not taking. I don't want this to be a fail. Alright, never mind. It looked like it's taking. I guess because, like, the color is just so, like, pastel, it looked like it's not taking, but I see something, like, coming on the hair. So as you can see, I don't really have, let me turn it. I don't really have, like, the whole wig in it, just literally the top. Oh my god, y'all, this lavender is pretty. I want to put my hand in it, but it's just so hot. I don't know why I thought that purple was going to be enough. This is how it looks so far, y'all. This is how it looks. It doesn't look bad. Like, I don't mind if it stays like this. Because this is the back of the hair anyway, I believe. As long as the front got color, but The front really doesn't have color like that. You see that? I'm gonna use a little bit of color that's left in here. I'm gonna pour that in the water. Yeah, that did nothing. That did nothing. Did nothing. Oh my god, this video is looking like a fail already. But I honestly don't want most of the hair purple like anyway because it's not long hair. If it was longer, I would do like more of the top. But it's not long, it's only 16. So this little bit right here is not honestly bad to me because that'll just be the that'll just be like the roots being lavender, which I don't mind. But that's honestly all the color I have. And that's going to be all that we can do. So now it's time to do the other half. This is the half that's done. Okay, so yeah, believe me when I say God is truly good, because I found lavender, but just a different brand. This is Color Brilliant, the same brand as the mint. And y'all, to be honest, this is my first time using these colors. This definitely looks good. It doesn't look bad. It looks good. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put this color in. This lavender looks a little lighter than the last lavender. I don't know if you guys can tell. It looks lighter than the last lavender. But let me just put more in there. So this time I know when I put the hair in, I'm going to go in a little deeper. So the hair is in. I went in a little deeper. It's automatically taken already, y'all. So far this hair company is, this color company I like so far because it's automatically taken once I put the hair in the color. And I'm not trying to do most of the hair like I said before because it's short. I don't want half purple, half mint. That's gonna look disgusting. I want like more of the roots lavender and the rest mint or blue, whatever color this thing comes out. So I just want to make sure everything gets colored, especially the frontal. Whoa, y'all, this is a different color. This drink looks gray. It looks like this is going to be a hair mistake video. Nah, this drink is not purple, y'all. This drink is coming up like, you see it? It's like coming up different. I mean, it's not ugly, but this is not what I want. So I'm gonna just leave that alone. I don't know what's going on right now. This color is really pretty. Ooh. That water looks pretty, but I think I'm gonna pour the whole thing. So this is how the hair looks without the rubber band. This is honestly low-key hard. I don't know how to feel about this right now. I don't know how to feel about this. It looks good in the video on Instagram, but right here it ain't looking too. No, it doesn't look bad. I feel like this is a nice mint color. This color is really pretty. I'm gonna put some more mint in there and make it a little lower, and then we're done with our first ombre. Okay, so one thing about these colors, to show you how it looks blue, this joint comes out green. That's the crazy part. And the water looks real milky. And I'm gonna dip it all the way to the purple part. Like, I'm not even gonna care. I'm gonna dip it all the way to the purple part because I want everything to get colored. So, but I think we got something. Y'all, this color looks good. I love the way it looks. I really love the way it looks. I may even leave like some blonde strips in it. Like, it doesn't look bad with the blonde strip. Like some of it being blonde. But I'm loving how this is looking, y'all. This color looks bomb. Oh yeah, but this is not getting colored inside. I really don't care if the bottom don't get colored, but I just want the right here to get colored. Okay, for the top, I'm gonna just like put the color on it itself because it's like not taking. Okay, so honestly, y'all, I have no problem leaving it like this, but I don't want to leave it like this and then when it dries, it's like a big patch that's just blonde, if you know what I'm saying. Okay, I got most of it colored. Even if it looked like brown highlights, y'all, I honestly don't care. But this might even come out good, so. So right now, y'all, it's looking like highlights, and I'm jacking it. Like, it doesn't look bad at all. I actually like it. At this point, I'm done, and I honestly love the way it came out. It's the purple going into green, and I like it. Like, I don't regret it. At first I did, but this is the wave right now. Doing colors like this is the wave. So another thumbnail, and yeah, we're done with the video. So I'm gonna go ahead, wash it all out, and I'll see you guys in maybe the installing video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 37K, man. Let's get it, let's go, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
You are packing the air, this gas or what? He'll still be alive right now if you niggas ain't gas him up. Give my shorty stimulus and guns, I tell them slap for nothing.